Shaffner. Today's video is a Bolzano handbags. Today I am going to unbox and bag my Bolzano handbags with my purse companions and my luxury beauty products and share them with you. So I hope that you will stick around to see everything that I received in my Bolzano handbags. I'm so glad that you've joined me. If this is your first time, I sure hope that you will subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and come back for more videos. My videos are all about women's fashion and accessories. Yeah, I love Bolzano handbags. The owner of the company, Leilani, actually sends me my Bolzano handbags in exchange for an honest review. So that's what you get when I open my Bolzano handbags. And truthfully, I am so impressed with this service. For the cost of the service, you cannot buy a handbag anywhere that I know of. In a reputable department store, you can't get a bag of this quality anywhere, but you also can get add-ons with your Bolzano handbags, and that's where the purse companions and the beauty products come in, and they are a delightful surprise every single month. I can't tell you how much I look forward to my Bolzano handbags. Now, if you want more information about the different subscriptions that Bolzano handbags offers, or if you just want to check out the website and see the kinds of bags that Bolzano handbags makes, check out everything you need to know in the description box below. I do have a code there, a referral code, and if you use it, I get nothing, but you get a free gift if you use my code. So please use my code, try your own Bolzano handbag. I have a feeling you are going to be pleasantly surprised. I want to be completely transparent. I have filmed this video 2 times. This is take 3. The first one I didn't save, and the second one I actually had my lights behind me. I don't know, I just got distracted and didn't notice that there were lights behind me. So number 3, third time's a charm, but you're not going to get my honest impression. I love the bag. I'm so excited to share it with you and all of the purse companions and the beauty products. In fact, I need to get this right this time because I'm so excited to try out the beauty products. This month's bag came in a different dust bag. All of the bags come in a dust bag, and they normally feel like a cotton. This feels more like a canvas, and this is what it looks like with the Bolzano logo. And there is also a Bolzano ribbon, and there's an advertisement here, and then there's also a little card that says, "You deserve to be spoiled." And I do deserve that. And right at this moment, I deserve it. And so inside the dust bag, we have the reveal. This is my July bag. Isn't it awesome? This is a structured white handbag, and it does have the natural brown. It's a faux leather. I love the combination of the natural leather with the white leather. Now, let me see. Can you see? This is just decorative. That does not move at all. And the inside has a magnetic closure. Can you close? There you have it. And then we have this compartment on the inside. We also have a crossbody strap, which I took out of the plastic just to show you because I really don't use this. I like to show you the length though. Yeah, this one is, you could make this really, really long. I'm not going to fool around with it because I'm not going to use it. So this is the way I carry my bags on my arm. I'm just most comfortable that way, but this is what the inside looks like. So this bag does not have a lining on it, but it does have this pouch inside. And the first time I filmed this, I looked at these and I said, wow, this is actually permanent, but it's not. Nope, this snaps right out, and which I think is super cool. And there is the inside of the bag. Yeah, it's just a big bucket, no pockets, nothing on it. You do have the hardware on the sides to attach the crossbody. And then we have this like card holder. I guess you could put a key in there as well, and that is stamped with the Bolzano logo as well. But let me show you the pouch. The pouch is pretty cool. Again, now this is more of like a vinyl type pouch. But yeah, you can see it's super soft, very white. It does have a leather look to it. And so you open this up And this is the inside. This is a black and white stripe, and we do have 2 card pockets on one side and then a zip pocket on the other side. So this is pretty cool. I can put it in my bag. I can snap that right in, and then this is what the bag looks like with the pouch in it. Now the pouch almost acts like a separator. Like now I have 3 different compartments, but the zip compartment is where I could put things like my wallet or my credit cards, things that are pretty important where I can zip them up and not lose them, but I can put things like my brush or my sunglasses on the side there. So yeah, I love this bag. It is so fresh and clean. And let me tell you something, white can be worn all year round. This is a great summer bag, but I would also wear it in the winter and call it winter white. So yeah, this one is fabulous. If I can find the name for this bag, I will put it in the description below, because you can go directly to the Bolzano Handbag website and order any bag that you like and just have it sent to you. You do not have to get a subscription, but you save so much money by getting the subscription. Now with the subscription, there is no guarantee about the bag that you are going to receive. That is going to be selected by a stylist based on your style profile. So I love it. They have really hit the nail on the head when picking bags that are perfect for me. So inside the handbag was a little note saying surprise, and truthfully it does feel like a surprise. All the different purse companions and beauty products are such a wonderful surprise every month. The first thing that I received was in this black jewelry pouch, and is these big gold hoop earrings. And this is a Kelly piece. I love gold hoop earrings. I love silver hoop earrings. I just think hoops are classic, and you can wear them dressed up or dressed down. I love these. I like the bigger size. They're kind of sassy. So yeah, I'm already wearing them and I'm loving them. Loving the jewelry. Always love the jewelry. Then, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. They did send a scarf. This is a satin feeling scarf. It could be silk for all I know. There is not a tag on it, but look how beautiful it is. It is a white fabric with a black polka dot and kind of a tan border. I think this is going to look fabulous tied to the bag, but I mean, I could wear it in my hair as well. You think? I don't know. I might do that. I don't wear a whole lot of ties in my hair, scarves in my hair, but this, I mean, it's so stinking cute. I might have to wear it that way. The last purse companion I'm so excited about, because I have never received sunglasses from Bolzano, but they do come in this little soft pouch with the Bolzano logo on it. And let me show you these. These are to die for, I think. Aren't they fabulous, darling? I love these, and these are not cheap. Now they are plastic, and there's an amber tint to the lens, which I really like, but these are just so Hollywood. I feel so glamorous in these glasses. Love them, love them, love them. This is the box that comes in the Bolzano Lux Edition. These are the beauty products, and I have really enjoyed the beauty products that have been sent to me. Ooh, okay. This is the collagen eye mask, and that's one application. This says to wash your face and eyes with warm water and dry. Gently apply the masks for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove and clean your face with water. So I have never used an eye mask. I'm going to use it. You guys come back for my next video and check it out. Look, you've got to let me know if like the eye mask worked. Maybe I'm going to look better rested. I'm excited to try this. And the next thing we have, I already know what it all is. This is, I don't know how to pronounce it. You guys let me know. This is Roses at Rains. This is a hand and nail cream. This is scented like roses. It is absolutely a beautiful, lovely scent, and it's pink. And the last thing I have to share with you is a foundation brush. Check it out. Like, so it's rose gold, and then it's got a little indentation for your thumb to hold it. I've never seen a foundation brush like this. I'm so excited to try it out. This brush reminds me of a brush that a barber would use to put that hot lather on a guy's face before a shave. This is so cool. I love the different surprises that I receive in my Bolzano handbag. This is an experience. And I've said in every single Bolzano video that I've made, this subscription makes for an excellent gift because it is just one surprise after the next. They're all lovely. And I think most of the pieces that I received, any woman would love receiving. It's just a great time, the entire experience. So if you're looking for a gift idea, especially for a hard to buy, for wife or mother, this one's it. I'm telling you, this one will not fail. Let me try the purse on so you can get a better look at it. So here you can see the actual size of the bag in comparison to my body. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Now I did attach the scarf, and this is the bag, and this is the bag on my arm. Isn't it great? I love it. Absolutely love it. You want to see it with the shoulder strap? Okay, this is the bag with the shoulder strap. This is how it looks. Now this is adjustable, but I'm not going to adjust it because I'm not going to carry it. Yeah, I have a stack of shoulder straps. So if I ever decide that's the way I want to carry my bags, I am all set. There you have it. That is my Bolzano handbags for the month of July. And if you have not tried Bolzano handbags, it's time to get on board and try one. You can get just one subscription for 1 month, or you can sign up for 3 months, or you can get a purse every single month if you like. They really have subscriptions to fit every budget, every need, and yeah, great handbags. I sure hope that you have enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed my newest Bolzano handbag. If you had fun, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed. Come back, join me for another video. I cannot wait to see you again. Blessings to all.